Did you know there's a green ointment made from a very common little leaf that's the great secret of women who live past 100 in Italy and Greece? While most people spend fortunes at the pharmacy, buying expensive creams to erase the little veins on their legs, hide dark circles, or treat wrinkles, Mediterranean women have spent centuries crushing this little leaf with oil and creating a true balm. And the best part is that the results they get often surpass those of the most expensive products on the market. In the Middle Ages, this plant's power was so extraordinary that historians say the Queen of Hungary used this mixture to eliminate skin sagging and relieve joint pain, and she grew so visibly young again that she was proposed to at 70 years old. 70 years old, in an era when women were considered elderly at 40. That's not a tale, that's history recorded in the books. The secret isn't in water or tea, but in the correct way to prepare a powerful ointment using a plant you probably have in your kitchen or garden right now. We're talking about rosemary. Yes, rosemary, the one you use to season chicken or rice. That same little leaf hides a medicinal power that the cosmetics industry has tried to ignore for decades, because if people knew everything rosemary can do at home, they'd stop buying many of the expensive products sold in pharmacies and beauty stores. Today I'm going to reveal exactly what they don't want you to know. I'm going to teach you how to prepare authentic rosemary ointment in your own home with simple, inexpensive ingredients, and I'll show you the 5 wonders this ointment does when applied to the skin. And I'll tell you now, benefit number 3 makes something disappear that a lot of people try to hide with makeup every day, something that costs them hundreds of pesos in products that never quite work. So stay with me until the end, because you'll never look at rosemary the same way again. And before we continue, if what you just heard caught your attention, if you feel this information could help you or someone in your family, write to me here in the comments. Tell me whether you only used rosemary for cooking or whether you already knew it was good for the skin and for aches too. I love reading your experiences and knowing which part of Mexico or Latin America you're watching from. Now, before we get to the 5 benefits, the first thing you need to understand is why you should make an ointment and not simply prepare a tea or rosemary water. Many people boil rosemary and drink the water thinking they'll get all its benefits that way. And yes, rosemary tea does have properties. We won't deny that. But science has discovered something very important that changes everything. Rosemary's most powerful compounds, carnosic acid, rosmarinic acid, and camphor, are fat-soluble. What does that mean? It means these compounds avoid water. They don't dissolve well in water, but they mix perfectly with fats. So when you make rosemary tea, you're leaving behind precisely the most potent active compounds, the ones that do the most work in your body. Whereas when you steep rosemary in oil and prepare an ointment, you extract everything from the plant. You don't leave anything valuable behind. And there's another equally important reason. Our skin has a fascinating characteristic. It absorbs oils directly and relatively quickly. When you apply rosemary ointment to the skin, those fat-soluble active compounds penetrate the skin barrier and reach the bloodstream within minutes, acting from the outside in. It's like a gentle, natural injection you give your body. No needles, no pain, no side effects. That's why the ointment is infinitely more effective than the tea when we're talking about benefits for the skin, joints, and circulation. Now let's get to the 5 benefits, because each one is a powerful reason to start making this ointment today. The first benefit of rosemary applied to the skin is its potent vasodilating action. And here I want you to pause for a moment and think about this. Do you know that uncomfortable feeling of having heavy, tired, throbbing legs by the end of the day? Those red, purple, or bluish little veins that appear under the skin and that seem to multiply every year. That has a name: stagnant blood. Blood that doesn't circulate well builds up in the smallest blood vessels and ends up breaking them from the inside, forming those marks that bother us so much and make us feel embarrassed to show our legs. When you massage rosemary ointment directly onto those areas, active compounds like cineol act as natural vasodilators. They open up the blood vessels, widen them, and that forces the blood that was sitting still to move again, to circulate, to flow properly. With continued use, the ointment acts like a broom that sweeps away the stagnation from within. The swelling decreases, the pain and that feeling of heaviness ease, and the appearance of small varicose veins gradually starts to fade. They don't disappear overnight, but with consistency the changes become noticeable. And the best part is, you don't need to spend a single cent on specialized circulation creams that cost a fortune. The second benefit is precisely why rosemary has been called the herb of youth for centuries. And it's not an exaggerated nickname. Rosemary is loaded with rosmarinic acid, considered one of the most powerful antioxidants in the plant world. This acid has a very clear mission when it comes into contact with your skin, to aggressively attack free radicals. Now, if you're not sure what free radicals are, let me explain simply. They're unstable molecules found in the air, in sunlight, in pollution, in stress, and when they come into contact with your skin, they destroy collagen. Collagen is like the framework that keeps your skin firm, taut, and lifted. When collagen breaks down, skin starts to sag, wrinkle, look dull and lifeless, with that crumpled, easily creased wet paper appearance. Applying a thin layer of rosemary ointment to the neck, face, hands, or chest is like putting a shield on your skin against that deterioration. But it doesn't just protect, it also actively stimulates new collagen production, which helps tighten and firm sagging skin, reduce fine lines and expression wrinkles, and bring back that natural glow of well-nourished, rested skin. Mediterranean women who use this from a young age reach 70 and 80 with skin that looks 20 years younger. And it's not genetics, it's consistency and knowledge of what nature offers them. The third benefit is the one that surprises people the most, and the one that saves a lot of people money they spend month after month trying to fix this problem. We're talking about erasing dark circles, those puffy, dark bags that appear under the eyes, that make us look tired even when we've slept well, that make us feel like we look sick or older than we are, and that make us spend on concealers, eye contour treatments, and treatments that sometimes work halfway and sometimes don't work at all. The reason those bags and that dark color appear is that the skin under the eyes is extraordinarily thin, the thinnest on the whole body. And that means that when there's stagnant lymph or pooled venous blood in that area, it shows directly through the skin, forming that purple or dark brown shadow that bothers us so much. It's not just tiredness, it's a localized circulatory problem. Applying just a little rosemary ointment around the eye area before going to sleep stimulates lymphatic drainage in that zone. It reactivates local microcirculation. The stagnant fluid starts moving, the puffiness of the bags goes down, and the dark coloring fades away naturally over the following days. Many people who start using this report that after 2 or 3 weeks, people ask them if they slept better or did something different, because they look fresher and more rested, all with a homemade ointment that costs practically nothing. If you suffer from arthritis, osteoarthritis, or any joint pain, benefit number 4 is going to become your best friend, and maybe the one you'll be most grateful for in your day-to-day life. Rosemary contains camphor, and camphor has a very specific, very valuable property. When it penetrates the skin and reaches the deeper tissues, it acts directly on the nerve endings that transmit pain signals. It blocks them, interrupts them, literally tells your nervous system to stop sending that pain signal that bothers you so much and keeps you from moving freely. But besides blocking pain, rosemary's camphor has a local anti-inflammatory action. When the ointment penetrates an inflamed knee, a stiff lower back, an aching shoulder, or hands that are stiff in the morning, it cools the inflammation of the bone and cartilage from within the skin. Many people describe the relief as almost immediate. They feel the warmth first, then the relief. And it's not just temporary. With consistent use, chronic inflammation in the area decreases because circulation improves and nutrients reach the tissues that need them better. In the past, before modern anti-inflammatories existed, this rosemary ointment was routinely used to treat the most severe flare-ups of rheumatism and arthritis. Country doctors and healers who knew their plants knew this well, and today many older people who start using it say they sleep much better at night because the pain lessens, and that in the morning they get up more easily and with more mobility. That changes quality of life significantly. The fifth benefit is rosemary ointment's powerful antimicrobial action, and this is especially important for older people or for those with health conditions that affect skin healing. Bacteria and fungi are afraid of rosemary's essential oils. There are studies showing these compounds stop the growth of multiple types of fungi and bacteria that affect the skin, including some that are resistant to certain conventional treatments. If you have toenail fungus that's gone untreated for months despite treatments, if you have deep, painful cracks in your heels that won't close no matter how much cream you put on them, or if you have a wound or chafing on your feet that's taking too long to heal, this ointment could be the solution you were looking for. It cleans up the local infection by directly attacking the microorganisms that are preventing healing, while at the same time improving circulation in the area, which brings nutrient and oxygen-rich blood to the affected spot. And that's exactly what skin needs to close up and regenerate faster. And now, as I promised at the beginning, I'm going to show you step by step how to prepare this powerful rosemary ointment at home. And I promise you, it's much easier than you imagine. You don't need any special equipment or any hard-to-find ingredients. The ingredients you need are 3 tablespoons of dried rosemary. You can get it at any street market, grocery store, or spice shop, and it usually costs very little, and half a cup of coconut oil or extra virgin olive oil. Both work great. Coconut oil has the advantage that when it cools, it hardens naturally and forms an ointment-like consistency without needing to add anything else. If you use olive oil, the texture will be more liquid, more like an infused oil, but it works just as well applied to the skin. The preparation is as follows. Put the oil in a container you can place in a water bath. This means you'll put the container with the oil inside a pot of water without letting the water get into the container. Turn the heat to the lowest setting you can. You don't need the water to boil. You just need it to be warm or lightly hot. Add the dried rosemary to the oil and leave it there for about 20 minutes on very low heat. During that time, the oil will gently heat up and extract all of rosemary's active compounds. The mixture will turn a yellowish green or greenish color, and that's exactly what you want. It's the sign that rosemary's compounds are being released properly into the oil. After the 20 minutes, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool a little. Once it's manageable, strain it using a fine strainer or cheesecloth to remove all the rosemary leaves. What's left is a green oil loaded with all the plant's active compounds. If you used coconut oil, once that oil cools completely in the pantry or fridge, it will solidify into a soft, paste-like consistency, perfect for applying to the skin. If you used olive oil, it will stay liquid, but just as effective. Store the ointment in a clean glass jar with a lid. It can last up to 2 or 3 months stored this way. And there you have it, your rosemary ointment ready to use. But here comes the part that many people don't know, and that can ruin all the work. There's a very common mistake when preparing this ointment, and if you make it, you'll end up with an oil that smells like rosemary but has almost no medicinal properties. The mistake is letting the oil get too hot. If the oil starts to smoke, boil, or bubble vigorously, rosemary's essential oils, which are volatile, evaporate immediately and float away into your kitchen air. What you're left with is green-colored, pleasant-smelling oil but without the medicinal power you're looking for. The heat has to be as low as possible, just enough to warm it gently, never to fry or boil it. Remember that well because the ointment's real effectiveness depends on it. And there's one final tip that makes a big difference in the results. Always apply the ointment at night before going to sleep. While you sleep, your body enters a mode of active repair and regeneration. Blood circulation to the skin increases, cells renew themselves, tissues repair themselves, and if at that moment you have rosemary ointment working on your skin, the active compounds will work in perfect sync with your body's natural processes, without interference from the sun, which can oxidize some compounds, and without the heat and sweat of the day, which can dilute the effect. That's when it works best, and when the body makes the most of it. Dear friends, nature has always given us everything we need to live with less pain, more energy, and healthier skin. We don't always need expensive products or complicated treatments. Sometimes the most powerful solution is in a little leaf we've used for decades just to season food, without knowing everything it can do for our health. Rosemary is at the market, at the corner store, or in the garden, costing almost nothing, ready to transform your well-being from the inside out. Your body has an incredible capacity to regenerate and recover when you give it the right tools. And sometimes those tools are simpler and more accessible than we think. Don't put off until tomorrow something you can start today. Prepare this ointment with care, use it consistently, and give your body time to respond. Now, I want you to tell me here in the comments, did you already know the Queen of Hungary used rosemary to rejuvenate her skin? What are you going to use the ointment for? To relieve joint pain? To care for your skin? For leg veins? Or for dark circles? Write to me. I love reading your responses. And if you have a loved one, a family member, a friend, someone you care about who could benefit from this information, share this video with that person right now. Sometimes a small gesture like that can change the quality of life of someone we love. Take care and see you soon.